Bonjour, hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld. Just heading up the peak vert lift, up the viewer's lift of the resort. Going to hooking up with a friend. Don't know what we're doing. I think we're just going to try and find some decent stuff at the top there. We I've just came down to 1650 and it's a combination of icy in places, slushy in places, not very good at the bottom. So hopefully things are better at the top. Let's go and see what we can find. We did have a little bit of snow last night, as you can see, some fresh stuff there, and the piste below us there absolutely white because the snow doesn't melt when it lands at first, it just keeps going on. So yeah, you can see the remnants of what's left on the left of us being beaten to death by the sun. No more snow there, but hopefully at the top we should find some good stuff. Alright, Steve's skiing particularly fast today, so we're heading down to Men's Station, I think. Ça freine de temps en temps. Oui, pas trop mal, mais le hors-piste, whoa, s'arrête. Let's see what's here. It's probably a disaster. Slow, but nice. So still on the GoPro and a lot of stuff not touched, but it's not that great, the untouched. It's okay, but not fast. So hooked up with Steve and we both had the same idea to go up and check out the racing piste. See what's what up there. It should be pretty good. Okay, so my usual spot from the last few videos down this bit next to the zenith and at the top of the push or lift. Just see what the condition of snow is up here and then we'll go across to the racing piste. Bon, ok, on y va.
Je vais larguer là-bas au départ du...
Okay, so if you saw my previous videos, this is where it all started. Headed down here. We're not going to be hammering this today. One, it's not prepared. Two, I want to live to see another day.
C'est quoi? La neige est bonne, quoi. C'est incroyable.
Ouais, a bit clumpy, mais pas touché, pas touché, pas touché. Arbre, arbre. Ouais, peut-être un peu à côté aussi, de grande piste. Piste noire. Booster. I'll send Steve on as a guinea pig here in the soft stuff. But it looks pretty good, and there's some untouched stuff across the right there, so yeah, hey. Whatever. Whoa. It is a bit clumpy, but oh, nice. Yeah. Whoa. Wow, that was good. Woo! Hey. Nice. Oh yeah, oh dear. Yep. Ouais, ça commence. Wow, c'est bon, mais c'est dur.
C'est dur en dessous.
So that last bit, hard to believe that they were clocking 100 mile an hour, 160 kilometers an hour back there. But then again, they're racers. So, okay, on va continuer. Some nice snow in places here. Here was another fast spot. This is one of the top speed spots. And again, opposite end of the speed scale. Mais par contre, je pense que c'est un peu plus fatigant pour vous. Je pense que c'est un peu plus fatigant pour vous.
De monter que de descendre.
Bon courage.
Ouais, merci.
Where's he gone? Oh, rats. He's right down there. Quite icy in places here now. spotted him just to the saw stop off the side. Woohoo! Yeah! Wow! Bon. Let's go see what this stuff's like. Okay, so that was almost all the way down the main piste. Obviously not gunning it because it's a bit rough, it's a bit sticky, but good fun and good to go on it. Snow underneath in good condition, the snow at the sides is pretty good. So we've come right down to 1800 here to take the parade lift up, and that last scene gave the GoPro to Steve. Thanks, Steve.
Hey, no problem.
And yeah, we're going to head up, get a couple of red coffees and see what else we can find. So put something else in the tail out as usual, and that's it for today. I'll arrive at the top there, or maybe on the way up here. In fact, yeah, on the way up here I'll do a quick view check. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching. Keep subscribing. Until the next video, ciao. Okay, just before we arrive here, so this is where we came down, and all the red fencing that's segregated off the race is all done. Someone's been up on Lopion today. I actually watched them about a couple of hours ago. Probably see the marks, although I can't see a thing on the viewfinder. So we'll have a little look round. A few puffy clouds over the tops of some of the summits, but yeah, all very good. Nice blue skies, sunny day, and just looking over and behind. I can't really see what I'm doing here, so I hope this is working. But there's still the remnants of the recent snowfall on the north facing parts, especially the rocks on the Opion there. So yeah, better stick this thing away. We're just about to arrive. So Parc des Écrins, bit of cloud cover coming over, but over here you can look at this off-piste area. Just astonishing. The top of the Grand Cabane run. Again, someone's done the north face of Opion. Wow. Hopefully I've got this. snow is slow. Wow. Light as flat. Wow. Neige est lente. Whoa.